Hey, what's up YouTube? My name's Laurie and today I am reviewing the Ajazz AK33. It's a really nice keyboard. It's H3 keys and I would recommend this. So let's get into this review. So the keys are all white with clear letters, and under them, under the keys is black switches. You can get a version with blue switches, and it comes with LED and a silver backplate. Here's the back of the keyboard. It's just plain white. It's a little bit tacky, but it comes with height adjustable lever things and grips to keep it from moving. So this keyboard comes with a USB type 3 pretty long cable. I'd say about 2 meters cable, and a keyboard brush to keep your keyboard nice and clean, and a keyboard's key cap puller. I will give you a sound test now. There you go. Now last thing is the RGB blue lights. Let's get into this. That is the nice blue colour that you get from the RGB lights. It comes with 8 different modes. Let's cycle through them now. So, normal fade, downwards fade, staggered fade, upward staggered fade, Tetris fade, inward fade, outward fade, and black. You control these with the FN key and the F8 key. You can also change the brightness with these 2 buttons and FN. So this is the end of the review. I really like this keyboard. I would definitely recommend it. I've had no faults with it so far, and this is the first thing on my setup that I'm getting. I'm getting a PC, which will be in a later video, a monitor, mouse, mousepad and headset. I'll be reviewing all of them, and watch out for them. So give us a like and a subscribe and turn on notifications so you can see them. My overall review is this is a great keyboard. Thank you for watching and goodbye.